In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell wallpapers on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into the process of creating and selling your wallpapers. Gumroad is a fantastic platform for artists and creators because it makes it really easy to sell digital products. So if you've created some stunning wallpapers that you're excited to share with the world, Gumroad is definitely the way to go. First things first, the first step to get started is to either open Gumroad in your web browser or log into your account if you already have one. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is super simple and straightforward. Just follow the prompts to create an account and you'll be ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your hub for managing all your products. Now what we want to do next is create a new product. On your dashboard, you'll see a button or a tab that says Products. Click on that and it will take you to a page that displays all the products you currently have, if any. Look for the button that says New Product. It's typically found on the right side of the screen and click on it. After you click New Product, a menu will pop up asking what type of product you'd like to create. Since we're selling wallpapers, you will want to select the option for a digital product. This is important because wallpapers are digital files, and this option is tailored specifically for them. Now, we need to set the price for your wallpaper. Think about the value you're providing with your designs. Is it a unique pattern or a trendy design? Set a price that reflects the quality of your work while still being accessible to your customers. Once you've decided on a price, enter that amount in the pricing field. Next up is the description. This is your chance to really sell your wallpaper. Write a compelling description that highlights its features. Consider mentioning the inspiration behind the design, how it can enhance a space, or its color palette. The more enticing your description, the more likely potential customers are to hit that Buy button. Now let's move on to the next part, which is uploading your wallpaper. You will need to have the digital file ready, so make sure it's in a format that works well for your customers, typically a JPEG or PNG. Look for the Upload button on the same page and select the file from your computer. It's a good idea to also upload a cover image for your wallpaper. This is the first thing customers will see, so make it visually appealing. Once you've uploaded your wallpaper and cover image, take a moment to review all the details you've input. Check the price, the description, and confirm that the correct file is uploaded. Attention to detail here can really make a difference in how professional your listing looks. After you've gone through everything and you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time to save your progress. Look for the Save and Continue button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will ensure that all your work isn't lost. Finally, you'll see an option to publish your product. Click that button, and just like that, your wallpaper will be live on Gumroad. Congratulations! You've just set up your own digital product for sale. To help promote your new digital wallpaper, share the link on social media or anywhere else potential buyers might see it. Don't forget to engage with your audience and maybe even ask for feedback. And there you have it. Selling wallpapers on Gumroad is not only simple, but also a great way to get your creative designs out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.